If you want to know how we got to this point, continue watching. Woo! Okay. Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday. I don't know how I'm feeling. I'm feeling like I want to do something a little exciting today. So I texted a few of my friends that I wanted to dress like grandmas today and get lit. So yeah, today I guess is going to be a Sunday Funday vlog. I don't really know what I'm doing today. There's no concrete plans. But what I do know is that I'm just going to clean the house a little bit and then start my day. So I don't know if we're going in public today. I'm not sure. I mean, we would love to. There's a freaking pandemic, so we would love to go to like our usual brunch spots, but we gotta be careful. So we're gonna see what they have available, but first we're gonna pregame at a friend's place in the French Quarter, just to kind of get a vibe. Because honestly, if I'm going in public, I need to be like tipsy because I'm gonna be looking so crazy. Well, what I have at home, because obviously I didn't prepare that well for this, I'm gonna be like a cool grandma. I'm not gonna be like an old, like, you know, frumpy one. I'm gonna put a little, I guess y'all didn't think y'all was getting a wig tutorial today, were y'all? I need to drink more because I can't believe I'm doing this. What is this? Oh wait, why is it on one side of my ear? Look, cause she's actually cute. So period. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I wasn't really prepared for Granny Day. I got my tights on. I guess I'm a trendy grandma. Period. Poo. My sister just came to come get me. So, yes, I'm excited. We're gonna do some shots because I cannot believe I'm leaving my house like this. Yes, I got something on my teeth. Sorry. All right, so this is the outfit for today. My name is gonna be, Mabel. Mad Mabel.
And I'm
and
Wanda.
Wild Wanda. My sister.
I'm a boss.
You're fucking crazy. I wish I should have put this much effort into my outfit, but I guess I'm gonna be the cool one. So first, let's take our shot. Wait, I know this one. Do you know which one? you know which? We're doing a shot of what though? Anything. I don't care because it's early. It's early. But it's a good video. Lipstick period.
Get the wig cap.
Hold on. I'm gonna get it like. And where? Ooh. And that's on what? Mary had a little lamb.
Where the money reside, baby. Where the money reside. Wait, put on bald stocking cap.
Wait, Jen. I love this for you. I love this for you. Oh my God, we're fully down a little bit. I'm crying right now. I'm literally crying right now. Okay. Wait. I need you with a visor on.
We need a visor for you.
Wait, let's go on digs.
You think
Let's go on digs.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go on digs. This is like, we don't feel like Jen looks grandma enough, so we're gonna get her a visor and hopefully a fanny pack. So
you gonna get a bit
so we're going into, what is this?
Dick's Sporting Goods.
Dick's Sporting Goods. All right.
I even wear grandma underwear for you.
Oh, me too. Don't do too much, Wanda. Don't do too much, Wanda. Don't do too much, Wanda.
Relax, Wanda.
Woo.
Get down. Go easy, get down.
Ooh. first round of drinks? What did she say?
Amanda can really teach you.
I can analyze your face and kind of see.
Analyze. That's a thick word, Mabel.
Well, I can see like what.
Just got our food.
Yeah, it's good. You didn't know that?
No.
I wanted to focus.
This looks so good.
Ooh. Morgan, what did you get?
I got a little crawfish etouffee, baby.
That's right, Mabel.
My name's Wanda.
Oh.
Keep calling everybody Mabel. You're
Mabel,
fucking
get
Mabel.
in character.
Thank you. It's veneers.
She's
I like me a good sale. Medium rare, baby. Yeah.
That means you like some white.
All right, last night I was at the casino and I went to a restaurant that had white tablecloths. And this girl, yes, it was called something.
Trashy
I forgot.
little girl.
Something. This girl got so drunk, she fell asleep on the table. I said, interesting. You know how you said white people don't mind their business? Me. I was like this. This girl threw up. This girl threw up.
Oh God.
On the table.
Oh God.
In the restaurant.
Yo.
On the white tablecloth.
Yo.
They took the tablecloth and they put it in the little bowl.
Oh God.
Throw up.
Was that you?
It wasn't me. I was watching her.
Okay,
I
good.
have a picture of her.
Oh, you took a picture?
Yes, I did.
Agnes, you took a picture?
Yes.
Was it like?
Anyway, and I was sitting there with my class table, watching from afar.
No, I know that's right.
One taking
I know
picture.
that's right. I'm telling you, if I didn't have no ass.
Okay.
Mabel, why you did that? We have an accident.
You get her? Get her out of here. Get her out of here. Get her out. Look, it's already over. I apologize.
Do your man.
Get to watch what I got. Very good, Liz. Don't make me take this wig off! Look at this hood up. Check it out. Baby, baby, baby. Taste the person. Here, Fergie.
Brothers gather